Got home and there's about 5 or 6 turkeys sitting there running around in the yard. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. They're over there. And there's Jazz, and she ain't got one for dinner. There's like damn 5 turkeys over there, and Jazz is sitting right there. Why in the hell didn't you get us one of them turkeys for dinner? Huh? Why in the hell didn't you get us one of them turkeys for dinner? She's like, I don't know. There's damn 5 turkeys over there and you didn't grab any of them. What's wrong with you? We gotta eat too, you know. Anyway. We can now radio back out.